Today I'm going to show you how to use different fonts in CSS to make your web page more attractive. So first, I'm just going to create a h1 tag, and let's just say coding is awesome. Simple. And save it, run it. It shows up. Default font, nothing too interesting. And here is where I add the font. So I'm going to go font face brackets. Then I'm going to say the source of the font. And in this case, it is a font I downloaded in data assets right here. And it is called in here you have to put the file location. And in this case, mine's is railway extra light.ttf. And now I'm going to say what name to refer to when you want to use this font. So I'm going to say font family. Let's just say railway light. Okay. Then I'm going to make an object. Let's just say font demo. I'm going to say font family and refer to this font right here, which is railway light. Save. And I'm going to say the ID tag, which is font demo. And reload it. As you see, it changes to the font in which I downloaded. And that's it. See ya.